Madam EF here. This time, I am gonna give you an update sa VTI natin. So stay tuned dahil baka kakailanganin ko kayo sa mga things na pwede natin i-upgrade for the car. On our previous episode, sinabi ko sa vlog na baka kailangan i-overhaul or change engine na lang talaga. Nalaman namin na may something wrong ang makina before dahil sa tunog nito. So binuksan namin yung bottom part of the engine. May mga nakita na parts na medyo worn out na given its age and hindi masyado naalagaan ng previous owner. Upon checking ang mga need i-replace, ang head gasket, bearings, and crankshaft, hindi siya sa broken state or damaged state. Ang mga parts na yun, papunta pa lang sa lagay na masisira na siya. So buti na lang at nakahabol, pinalitan kaagad lahat ng mga parts na nakita ng dad ko na parang masisira na siya in a short period of time. After replacing, napaandar na tapos tinest drive. Surprisingly, okay na lahat. May nag-check engine lang and upon checking under the hood, may loose connection lang sa wire tapos nawala naman ang check engine light. Para mas makita pa namin kung ano yung mga dapat ayusin, we drove it daily. Kung saan na kami nakapunta para if may sira, ma-replace ka agad. So far, it's doing well. The engine is healthy. Nagvi-VTEC na siya. Kahit automatic, surprisingly, may speed naman siya at walang delays. For now, I'd like to use it as is. All stock, and I'd like to appreciate it as an automatic car. It's easy naman in case to convert it to manual transmission. So for today's video, I'm gonna pinpoint some changes that we have made to improve its physical features. If you have suggestions, please do comment. Let's see if we can add something more or replace something. Yung fog lights nito before, black ang color nito. When I researched way back, mas malinis for me ang walang fog lights. Gusto ko sana noon mag-change bumper. Pero my dad told me, trust me, body color lang natin ang ganitong part. If you don't like it, we could just look for a new bumper. Yan yung sabi niya na i-body color. Eto. Kasi black yan before. Pero after painting, mas na-appreciate ko siya. Ang ganda naman pala at mas malinis tingnan for me ang naka-body color lang para mas simple. This is what I mean yung bumper na walang fog lights. Ang simple din tingnan. Chrome to dati pero parang nakakasilaw, so dad told me that he'll paint it back and he is right. I can't decipher yet if balik natin ang chin or not. For me kasi bagay na bagay talaga ang EG and EF sa chin. Sa EK naman parang mas napopogihan ako if wala. I don't know, this is just one of the things that is answerable through time. Depende sa mood, kumbaga. Ito naman, I will have it repaired the next few days. For the meantime, ito lang muna yung nilagay ko para hindi siya visible. Sorry guys, hindi pa siya na interior detail. And also, we don't have stereo yet. I was thinking of installing a touch screen head unit na may Apple CarPlay. But the thing is, it's gonna be a lot of work if ngayon talaga. Because they're gonna be removing this. And I think it will be transferred here. Yeah, over there. But then again, I just thought na hindi naman pala ganun ka-importante yung touch screen head unit. Mas okay sa akin na may clarity and quality ang sounds basta ma-connect lang sa phone ko. So please, if you know what to do with this one, let me know. Okay din if may subwoofer. And the steering wheel, this is just temporary. Let's just look for some options that we can choose from. This is an original Nardi. Oh, and power windows are not yet working pala. Tomorrow, ipaayos po lang to. May mga nalusan lang na wires. But the power side mirrors are working really good. It's in good condition. And this one, I'd also like to replace this. Tingin-tingin lang ako sa online anong mga pwedeng i-replace na shift knob. Sa mags naman, I am still indecisive of a bronze mags or silver, yung mga hindi glossy na 15s. I will look for something like that and I'll update you once I've already bought. So far, yan ang latest update sa VTI. The sole purpose of this video is to actually inspire those who are planning to buy and those who already did. To just give a little idea kung ano mga pwede natin i-improve sa mga alaga natin. And also, to maintain camaraderie and just be generous of helping out one another. If you like this video or you want more episodes, please like and subscribe so I can continue filming for you guys. Thank you for watching!